Okay, the purpose of this training segment will be how to set up your own auto ship. So you come to dandyday.com to log into your virtual office. Come to the bottom where it says Members Area Login. Click here at the bottom. And on the next screen, and of course I have this is called Sample Distributor. And when we get to the login page, so you type in your distributor number and then your password. And you'll be logged in here. In case this is your first time, just notice the top right, your activity. So welcome sample. Again, this is first name sample, last name is distributor 1. So this is set up for these training purposes. But up here in the top right is your activity, your current rank, this month's QV, your qualifying volume. Of course, all the way through 5-star, there are no group volume requirements like your current GV, group volume. But you do need to have at least 25 QV to qualify to receive a commission check, and then prior month QV here as well. Also down below, webinars and important documents, you can click where it says distributor's price sheet. If you click here, you're going to get the price sheet, you'll get the comp plan, you'll get the policies and procedures. Click here to watch a recording of the latest live business opportunity meeting. Okay, those are our webcasts that we do every other Thursday night. This is how to set up an auto ship. So come to main menu in the top left. You see the drop-down menu, come down to Auto Ship Manager. I click on Auto Ship Manager, and we're going to go through this. Now you'll see when you get to this screen, we're going to create a new one here at the top left. So I click on Create New. And when the next screen pops up, you're going to have to agree to the terms and conditions. I would encourage you to read this. Come up to the top right where it says Next. I'm trying to circle the arrow there. Okay, click Next. And then on the next screen, you're going to see where you can set up an auto ship for yourself or for one of your customers. If you click yourself, it's going to charge the wholesale price. If you click This order is for one of my customers, it's going to charge the retail price. Now today's is setting up your own auto ship, so I'm clicking on This order is for me, come up to Next. I'm going to do another one for retail customers. Okay, you're going to need to select your catalog, and you'll see there's just the one, the Independent Business Associate. That's you. Click on that, click on Next again, and now you're going to be able to start going shopping. So over here in the right quantity, you'll notice that let's take the Aid Cream, the 2-ounce tube. At the very top, $10. And upline, that's the BV, is upline. Okay, so 7 is the BV. Of course, it's 10 QV off your price sheet. But I'm just going to put 1 for the quantity there. Let's come down and also get an aloe pearl. 120 count, $24.95, which would have 25 QV. I'm going to put 1 of those. Then you'll come up to the top where it says Next. So again, I've ordered 1 aloe pearl and 1 Aid Cream. There it is. Yes, that's what I want. So I'm going to click Next. And when I get to Next, now what date? Okay, so when is the first time I want this auto ship to start? And let's just say it's August. And actually you need to have 2, so it would be 08 for August, 08. And I want it on the 7th of every month, so 07, and I want it to start in 2012. Okay, notice the example for the formatting here. Okay, it tells you, come up to the top right, click Next. Okay, here's an example of the street address that I put in for Sample Distributor 1, 123 Main Street, apartment number 1, Anywhere, Colorado, and just put in some fictitious numbers. Okay, but you'll need to put those in. Click Next. And yes, this needs to be priority mail. You'll notice $7.95 is the ship cost here for those two products. Click Next. Okay, I'm going to need to do a payment type, and I'm going to put my Visa card in here. Click Visa. You see $43.91. Okay, now I would put my number in here, my name, expiration date, security code. Okay, I'm going to then need to, once I do all that, come back up to the top right and click on Next. Okay, now because I'm not putting in a real order, I am not going to do this at this point, but that's how you set up your own auto ship. Come back and there'll be another training here on how to set up an auto ship for your retail customers.